Hi. Recently I've been asked by many of the first-time home buyers, does it make sense for me to buy a home or should I continue renting? Well, why don't we go ahead and take a look at the options and see what the pros and cons are versus owning a home and renting, and then you go ahead and decide. When you rent a home, essentially what you're doing is you're making your landlord's mortgage payment for him. You're helping your landlord build equity and creating a financial security for him. When you own a home, you're building wealth and equity for yourself. You're creating equity each month through principal reduction of your mortgage payments, and you're earning appreciation with regards to the value of your property increasing. And yes, real estate is still a great long-term investment. It's proven that year after year, over the long term, you will receive appreciation. Now, when you rent, you have to be concerned about your rental increases due to the rate of inflation. However, when you have a mortgage payment, you never have to be concerned with your payment changing, because if you have a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, that mortgage remains the same until the loan is paid off. When you rent a property, you have to be concerned with being evicted. And at no fault of your own, I might add, you could be making your rent payments on time, but your landlord simply wants to sell the property that you're renting. So when you own a home, you're creating financial stability for you and your family. You're creating security in a home that you can live in and never have to leave. With regards to renting, you have no tax benefits whatsoever. In fact, any tax benefits are passed on to your landlord. Now, when you own a home, there are many tax benefits. In fact, the current tax codes favor homeowners. You get to deduct, one, all the interest that you're paying on your mortgage. You get to deduct your property taxes that you're paying on your mortgage. And all that equity that you're building up over time, when you go to sell that property, you pay no capital gains tax on that. So to make the decision, should I rent or should I buy, we suggest that we perform our rent versus own analysis. That analysis will take into account what you're presently paying for rent, and then we'll compare that as to what you could be paying in a mortgage payment with the tax benefits based on your income and your tax liability. To get more information about rent versus own analysis, please visit our website or visit us on Facebook. Until later, it's Mike Lewandowski wishing you the very best in your home search.